Y'all, this is a glueless wig. There is no actual glue on my hair. There's nothing but lace melt spray. I did not plug it. I did not bleach it. It already came like this.
I took over a year off and cut you bitches some slack. Tell a friend to tell a friend. She's back.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tiyonna B. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a wig for y'all. Y'all, so I got this kinky curly glueless wig from Isee hair. I got it for a TikTok collaboration, so they literally have absolutely nothing to do with this video. I like the wig and I wanted to make a video about it for YouTube. So we really just gonna get right into the video. I'm not gonna lie, their packaging was really cute. So this is the box that it came in here. And of course I just washed the wig so it's not in the box. So it came with well, I already used this. So it came with 2 packs of these, some lashes, and it also came with like 2 pink clips, but I already used them. I think they're in my bathroom and I don't really feel like one right now. So the wig is slightly still damp because I just washed it like maybe 2 hours ago. Tried to like blow dry it a little bit, but let me show y'all this lace. Like, look at that. It literally comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Like, are y'all not seeing this? Look at the lace. Okay, so like I said, I did get this wig because of a TikTok video. I posted that maybe like a week or 2 ago. So what I did was when I got the wig, I wore it a couple of days, like maybe 3 or 4 days when I was working out at the gym. It did not tangle in the back. It did not get knotted up in the back. So this is actually the first time that I'm going to wear like as it's been washed. The only thing I can say is that when I did wear the wig fresh out the box, out the bag, whatever, I'm not gonna lie, it did have a smell. It was like, it wasn't like a stinky smell, but it was like a, yeah, I need to watch this. It wasn't too bad, but I don't know if it was like a chemical type smell or what. But now I just washed so it's clean. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all me putting on the wig. And y'all, one thing I noticed is that when I had, well, first of all, this is not even my colors. I'm not talking about this cap in general, but I don't like the glueless wigs with the cap up here. So when it's up here, you can see it. So what I do is I kind of just pull it back to where my part stops, and we just gonna put the wig on. Y'all, it's still a little wet. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig, freshly washed. There's absolutely nothing on there. It don't look bad at all. It could use like if I was to just leave it where I want to wear it just like this, all I would do is add like some melting spray and it will still blend pretty good. But me personally, I'm going to add some lace tint, so I'm going to show y'all how it looks with the lace tint. So this is the lace tint that I have. Okay, yes, and I'm gonna show y'all the wig with like a little lace tint. So this is how it looks with the lace tint on. The hair is still slightly wet. Literally all I'm gonna do is take my little, ooh, that hair. The E-band, the lace melt spray, literally put some on my finger. I should probably pan my hair up so y'all can see. Okay, y'all, so these are like the little clips that came with the wig. So I'm gonna just use that to pull the hair back. Y'all, their lace is so good. I can see why Isee hair was on Sarah's like top 5 list. But I'm just gonna take some spray on my finger and just literally just put it on top. And even though I'm like putting some lace melt spray, this is still not glue. So it's still considered glueless. I'm gonna apply my little band. So I have not done like no type of customization to this wig yet. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I kind of wanna kind of layer it a little bit in the front. But I do need to wet this a little bit. So I'm just gonna take some from the front. I don't really want bangs, so I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, I feel like I'm so bad at cutting hair, and it's curly hair. I think I'm okay with like how it's cut right now. And I don't want to cut too much because it's already like a curly bob. This is only like, I want to say this wig is about 16 inches. And also, look, yeah, I'm combing through the wig. There's not hair coming off. This hair that's on here was already in the comb, well, in the brush. So I'm gonna use this. I used the same thing in my last video. Only thing I don't like about it, it has like a really, really strong smell. Y'all, look at them curls. So this is how I'm looking right now. What I've been seeing like the girls do is kind of like doing like, I don't know what these are called, but just taking a couple strands and wrapping around your finger. This is how we're looking before I blow dry it. Band is still on. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks after I done dried it. You can see it's like a little bit more out. I'm so mad I do not have no picks. I have this comb right here. Just gonna kind of like, dang, I need a pick. I have to use my hands. I kind of like flip it out some. Since I don't have a pick, I'm kind of just like starting from the bottom, going up and kind of like pulling it out some. I'm not gonna lie, for the front, I may just use a comb. And then the ends, some of these I'm just gonna kind of like pull apart a little bit. I ain't trying to look like Shirley Temple. But overall, the wig is cute. So let me go ahead and take this band off so y'all can get a first look. Isee hair is nothing to play with. Like, I swear, when it comes to like when it came to wearing wigs before, I swear I hated trying to bleach the wig and trying to pluck it. A lot of times, to be honest, I didn't even really pluck it too much because I kind of got annoyed. I hate that process. But this is pre-plucked and pre-bleached, and a lot of times I did over bleach my wigs as well, which you can definitely see on like an old video that I over bleached the wig. If you really don't know how to like bleach your wig and kind of customize like the lace, buy you a glueless wig. Whether you want to glue it down or not, buy you a wig that's already pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so you don't have to do none of that. And I showed y'all on video how the wig looked before, like how the lace looked before and after I add the lace tint. To be honest, I really didn't even need it. I just personally like to add lace tint on all my lace. It don't matter what it is. Y'all better come and get one of these. So that's all for this video. I hope y'all like the wig because I do. But just like the last video, I'm gonna go ahead and link the wig down below. There's gonna be one of my TikTok videos. That way you can, if you decide to buy the wig, you can go ahead and get it through that link. So if you have any suggestions, go ahead and comment them down below. And don't forget to subscribe, y'all. And if they don't ban TikTok, go ahead and follow me on there too, because I post way more on there. I'm trying to get back into YouTube, but we're working on that. So I will see y'all in the next video. Hopefully it's another wig video, but if not, I'll see y'all.